Okay, we're going to skip the airing of grievances and go right to the feats of strength. This event is a head-to-head competition that was randomly generated to see who can push who out of the ring. The ring being the table that's within camera view. Let's see our first two square off.
Fight.
Oh, over and gone. Blue Bronco wins that one pretty handily.
Fight.
Oh, this one's a fight. But it looks like the red tow truck is going to push him out. Our last two.
Fight.
Oh, no contest. Right over him. Oh, we lost a bumper. He'll be all right, folks. Now we're going to take the winners of those rounds and square them off against each other. Again, it was randomly drawn to see who would catch the bye and get to wait till the end. And until there's a master of the feats of strength, Festivus is not over.
Fight.
The black Bronco pushes the red truck right over. And now for our final matchup of the feats of strength.
Fight.
Black Bronco pushes him right off the camera. And we have a winner for the event. The Black Bronco comes out on top and will get 6 points for the event. The event's worth a total of 6 points. The winner gets all 6. Second place is worth 2, and third place is worth 1. And there's one final event, folks. Let's get back into it. There and back again. You'll notice when we look at this that originally this was a big Stomper course that I had gotten when I was a little kid. And some of the pieces have gone missing since then. Have probably been thrown away or sold or something like that, but I still have most of the pieces. So the rest of them have been filled in with Legos and cardboard. So we start at the gate, up the first hill, across the Blocks Canyon, down into the Duct Tape Gorge, up and around the bend, and back through the course again, all the way to the finish line where the gate is. And this is a timed event. Let's see if they can do it. And we're off. Up the hill, down, no problem. A little struggling getting up, but it manages to get there. Coming back down again through the gorge. Oh, we have a stop. Whenever a motor stops, the timer stops. As long as the motor's running and the vehicle is on all 4 wheels, the timer keeps going. If it falls over, the timer stops. If I have to help it, there's a penalty of a second added to the time. And 18.5 seconds. We're going to add a penalty to that, which we'll do at the end. Okay, here we go for the red truck. We're off. Easily up and down over the canyon. A little struggling getting up the hill there, but it gets up. As you saw, Shira was looking on at that one. And we're done with a fast time of 15.2 seconds. You can see her little nose right there in the replay. The green Chevy, here we go. Struggles up that first hill, but gets there. Less of a trouble getting up that other one. Oh, he's over! I've got to put him back. Here we go. And around the last bend, 17.0. And there'll be a penalty assessed as well. Here we go with our brown Rough Rider. Let's see how he does. And we're off. Oh, struggling to get up that hill, through the canyon and the gorge, around the bend, and stuck. It's a little too big to get through here, so I'm going to have to help it through. I've helped it onto its back. I'm not going to count that against it. That'll just count as one. That's another one. Here we go. Oh, struggling. I have to help it again. And again. Okay, 23.6. A few penalties in there, though, which will be added at the end. All right, here goes our Black Bronco. Just straighten him out a little bit there. Here we go. Up the hill. Oh, it can't quite get there, but it's trying. I'm going to give it a boost. There we go. Oh, over the side. And the bumper's off again. I'm going to have to finish the race without that part. And 26.9 plus a penalty. That's not a good time, folks. All right, let's look at our last racer, the Black Rough Rider. There we go. We're done. Let's start that one again. Here we go. Up the hill, struggling, having a hard time. Can't get there. Can't get there. Still can't get there. I held it. Can't get there. Still can't get there. Still can't get there. Still. I'm calling it. Okay, so if we take a look at our standings from that last event, the red truck is a winner with absolutely no assistance and a 15.2 second time. And then everybody else falls in behind that with some penalties assessed as well. And that incomplete is worth a big fat 0. So the winner of the Stomper Games is the red tow truck with a score of 20. Green Chevy comes in second. There's a two-way tie for third with the blue Bronco and the black Bronco, which leaves fourth place empty. Fifth place goes to the black Rough Rider truck. And in last place, the brown Datsun with 13. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the Stomper Games. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you the next time we got something new to show you on I Miss My Toys.